Okay, I had a question on how to better explain the external hack as well as splitting the common, how I do it, and many others. This is a P52. I've already taken the back cover off, and I've pulled this ribbon out right here on the bottom. And now we're going to pull the front part of the cover off to get to the battery bay. And there'll be a tab right here, and then we'll just pull everything out. Okay, here's our battery bay here. So basically what we're doing is we're soldering wires to these contacts right here. This one and this one. And as you can see, here is the positives on the bottom on this side, so then we'll solder our positive wire to this contact, and negative is on the bottom on this side, so we'll solder our negative external power wire to this contact. And I drill a hole right through the middle here first. And this is just for explanation's sake, I'm not actually going to be doing it. And then once we have that hole drilled, you'll route your wires through from the back side, and you'll tin these contacts up. It helps to rough them up a little bit with a knife or something, and then you'll push them through, you'll turn them, and then you'll just solder them onto those contacts, both positive and negative, through this same hole. And then once you have that, I'll show you how I like to route my wires. I go under the lens assembly here, right under the card reader, between the card reader and the lens assembly. And then this wire will go through your hole, and you'll be soldering that to your contacts. And then the wire comes out, there's a little notch right here, and that's where both of your wires will be coming out. And what I mean when I say splitting the common is you have your external power wire on your negative side here, right here. What you can do with these Sony cameras is when you do your hack with your shutter assembly, you only have to do your power and your shutter wire. You don't have to do your common wire if you don't want to. You can use your common wire from your external power and take a smaller wire and run it from your external power wire down to your board. So you're using your external power common wire for both the external power itself and for the hack that goes to the board. So it's just one less wire that you're routing out of your case. So again, when you do your hack with your shutter assembly here on the block, you only have to do power and shutter. You can do all three if you want, but a lot of us are splitting the common wire, just one less wire. I find it's really neat and handy. So I hope that explained it a little bit better. Thanks.